I had been approached by some of the companies that have the no-cost solar, where they come and they own the system and they put it on and they own everything, and it sounded like somewhat of a savings, but I wasn't sure if it was, if it made the most sense, and it just didn't seem like it was something I wanted to do. And they seemed pretty pushy about it. They were ready to make a sale, and I wasn't impressed by that. And so I decided to do some research on my own about the other local companies around the area. I got a few other quotes from other companies and kind of just went from there. I didn't feel pushed at all. I actually felt they were obviously the most honest. Randy kind of gave me some pointers. I didn't view him as a salesman. I viewed him more as someone who was, someone who had the same interests as I did, that was, looking to do what was best for the customer. That's how I felt, yeah. When he showed me the pictures of what, would look like and what things would look like when it was completed, I said, sure, that looks cool, let's do it. They were very, very, very prompt in response to my emails and telephone calls. I felt like they were very, reasonable with my questions and getting back to me as the questions I had arose. I guess about the beginning of October is when I finally decided to go ahead with the project, and here we are at the beginning of December, and everything's up and running, and excited to see the sunshine. I would recommend Belmont Solar to anyone. They're very knowledgeable, personable. I would definitely say give them a call. They know what they're talking about.